Just another night in California. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Real Jamaican vibes. I take you a tour upon the tobacco farm, how we do the storage and stuff forth. So, just take a look. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. In this area we have the start. Let's take a good look at it. So you're gonna stay about 3 weeks or more until they're dry. Then we're gonna do some parning for selling. Right now, in here is very strong of tobacco. Can stay like about 5 minutes inside here because it's gonna make you feel a bit dizzy. So I want you to look at my start. They are very huge, healthy, a lot of nicotine inside of them. I'm gonna take you to the next area where we have the string. This side, this is where we do some stripping of the tobacco to strip them out of the stalk. But this one is not more stronger, it's less stronger than the stalk one. So this is gonna stay like about 2 more weeks before we package them for selling. You know, in Jamaica, the weather you have a hot weather here, hot climate. So it don't really take long for dry. And it's very important for the temperature. So we're gonna give you a next tour right here. Look at this, people. Take a good look. This is what we call the pani. We remove them from the string and tie them together. So we have to ensure for curing and stuff forth, we have to check them every now and then. It's very important because sometimes it can mildew and stuff forth. So we have to check them very thoroughly, keenly. And also, we're gonna leave them out in the sun for about an hour so they can get some sunlight so they can cure properly before storage. Thank you, my people. Fire read, share and subscribe to my channel. Real Jamaican Vibes.